Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how you can make sample labels in a Word file by importing the data from an Excel file. So as you can see, I have an Excel file here with some data, like the first and the last name of some persons, together with some other information belonging to them. So first of all, we have to open a blank Word file here. Now we have to go to the Mailings tab on top, and then we have to click on Start Mail Merge. And as we want to make labels, let's click on that. Well, now we get a variety of options for label vendors and products from which we can choose. Let's go for the selected one, press OK. Well, now we can't see our sample labels yet, so let's go to the Layout tab and then click on View Grid Lines. Okay, we can see them now, so let's go back to the Mailings tab, and then we have to click on Select Recipients. And yes, we are using an existing list, our Excel file, so let's click on that and select our Excel file. And then we have to select the table as well, so press OK. Well, now we can't see anything of our Excel file yet, so we have to select first what we want on our labels. So we have to click on Insert Merge Fields. Now, for example, if you want to add the first and the last name of the persons, we can first start with their first name, so click on that and then on Insert. But now we want to add a space in between the first and the last name, so we have to close this and put a space there. Then go back to Insert Merge Fields, click on the last name, Insert Close. Now we can add an enter for some more information. Let's go back to Insert Merge Fields, and for example we can add the phone number, Insert Close, add an enter again, go back, and for example lastly the email address, Insert Close. Okay. Well, now we want all of our labels to look like the first one, so we have to update labels. Click on that. Okay, but the problem is that we can't see our data yet. So now we have to click on Finish and Merge and edit individual documents, and then OK. And that's it. Now we have our sample labels with the data that we wanted. It's very simple to do. Thank you for watching.